Forno Appliances introduces you to the Model 6239 gas range 48-inch cooking stove. This model features a massive solid iron cast cooking grill. There are 8 Italian aluminum burners that can output up to 20,000 BTU. One burner is sealed and has a double entry gas line, which allows you to simmer as low as 1,000 BTU. Fully adjustable leg support that makes leveling easy and quick. The bevel-shaped doors offers you a unique and professional look. The durable stainless steel Type 304 made with chromium and nickel to provide the best protection against corrosion. Thick, durable, pro-style door handles with a large viewing window. There are 10 heavy-duty cast zinc knobs that illuminate. This model is equipped with a night light with automatic magic eye, providing a unique lighting ambiance. Light temperature indicator. This model also comes equipped with a solid cast iron grill that is reversible and movable. Comes equipped with a cast iron black wok ring holder, sturdy and durable. The surface is of black enamel cooktop for easy maintenance and cleaning. Easy to locate cooking switches. The interior stove has a stylish blue enamel color. There are 2 telescopic electroplated racks with easy grid handles for easy rolling and fully adjustable in height in both ovens. Tough and enforced stainless steel hinges. The main oven capacity size of 4.32 cubic feet and the second oven with a size of 2.26. The main oven has 2 interior bright oven halogen lights. The interior oven is equipped with an auto ignition and can power up to 10,000 BTU for broiling. It also features a bottom oven burner that has a heat force of 22,000 BTU ignited by auto ignition, and it has a U-shaped burner for optimal heat distribution. Interior convectional fan for dispersed even heating. The second oven has a heat force of 14,000 BTU. The second oven has 1 halogen light. Comes equipped with an LP kit for conversion from natural to propane.